To think like a CEO, you must view the 8 levels of wealth not merely as a progression of net worth, but as a strategic roadmap for the scaling of your own influence and operational capacity. At the foundational levels, wealth is about survival and basic stability. But as you climb toward the higher tiers, it becomes an exercise in resource allocation and system building. A CEO understands that your content is an extension of your capital. It must be deployed with the same rigor you would apply to a financial investment. By framing your videos through the lens of these wealth levels, you stop teaching generic skills and start teaching the specific, high-leverage frameworks required to ascend the economic ladder. The initial levels of the hierarchy focus on moving from debt to cash flow, a reality faced by the majority of your target audience. Your content should act as the bridge that helps them navigate this transition by providing the tactical blueprints for digital entrepreneurship. As a creator, you are essentially selling a wealth architecture that allows your viewers to solve their immediate financial constraints. When you explicitly address these levels in your videos, you create a direct, relatable narrative that mirrors your audience's own struggles, transforming your brand into a necessary resource for anyone serious about their personal and professional evolution. As you progress toward the mid-levels of wealth, where one transitions from an employee to a business owner, and eventually an investor, your messaging must shift from hustle to systems. A CEO knows that true influence is built on the back of scalable infrastructure, which is why your content should advocate for building assets like the ones you are developing for Horizon Launchpoint funnels. By deconstructing the transition between these levels, you position your brand as the architect of their transition, guiding them through the exact pitfalls and breakthroughs that occur when moving from trading time for money to generating passive, automated returns. At the highest levels of wealth, the objective changes from individual accumulation to legacy creation and systemic impact. This is where your community, specifically your school community, becomes the ultimate differentiator. Influence at this stage is measured by the quality of the network you cultivate and the success of the individuals within your ecosystem. Your content should focus on the philosophy of wealth, how to think, how to deploy capital, and how to maintain the long-term vision necessary to stay relevant in a volatile market. You are not just building a channel, you are building a repository of wisdom for those who have moved past survival and are now optimizing for true autonomy. Ultimately, your video strategy should be a reflection of these 8 levels, offering a clear, segmented path for your audience to follow as they grow alongside you. Every piece of content acts as a milestone, confirming to your viewers that you understand exactly where they are and exactly what they need to reach the next tier of their potential. By integrating this framework, you move beyond the status of a content creator and into the role of a mentor CEO. You are providing the intellectual capital, the operational tools, and the community environment required for your audience to not only generate wealth, but to sustain and expand it across every facet of their lives.